Okay, this is a quick schematic for a dual zone 240 volt 10 amps per zone system with a master shutoff relay. So we've got 240 volts, 20 amps coming in, comes up to a master relay that is controlling power to the heaters. First thing it does is it splits off and goes up to the control side of life. So it goes through a dual pole on-off switch. Goes through a set of fuses. And also, that once those are thrown, it comes into this master relay that turns on 240 volts in each individual leg. Now it's 240 volt live that can be used in the heater circuits. So it also now comes through to the control circuit. So it goes through control fuses, probably actually goes through the fuses before it goes down to this relay. Then that goes up to the controllers. Now it can be either a dual zone controller that has limit and relay, limit and control as shown here, or it can have 4 controls, 1 control, 1 limit, 1 control, 1 limit. They're just daisy chained down and they're essentially the same. So with this, we're bringing the control voltage in, it's coming down and putting power to the controller. It's also coming down and bringing 240 volts through the limit relay. So that's the limit thermocouple, goes through the limit relay, comes down and goes to a mechanical relay that is designed to handle the 10 amps. So 240 volts comes through that contact closure on the limit side of the controller, comes down, powers this coil, comes back up, so that is energized. Once that energizes, it pulls this mechanical relay in. That pulls in one of the hot sides of the 240 volts. That's coming through the solid state relay, through a fuse, out to the heater, back through another fuse, back up to the other side of the relay. So that is the same for the 2 zones. These are essentially identical. On the control side of life, either it is a dual zone, which the other half of the control is a control thermocouple and the 5 volt TTL level signal that comes out to go to the solid state relay, or it's a separate device altogether. It can be, this can be just the relay, the control, or this could be the limit, or it can be combined. So that's what it is. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Dave Safford, 603-770-0534. Thanks.